Hey guys, you've made it to week 11. Can you believe it? I sure can. This semester has flown by and I have enjoyed getting to know each and every one of you and just watching you succeed and your knowledge grow as this course continued and this semester went on. I just wanted to do this quick video to explain a couple of things about this week and the next week because we have 2 final weeks together and then it will be summer break. Whoop whoop. I'm super excited. But I just wanted to explain some things to you. So this week you will have 2 things that show up in about said Moodle. We haven't been on Moodle in forever. I'm so sorry. At Canvas in Module 11. You will have one assignment to finish up. It's called Government Agencies, and you'll reference this week's PowerPoint. It's a pretty simple assignment, so get that knocked out. And then your final exam review will be there as well. When we did the thoughts quiz, most of you asked that it be open all week, and that is totally fine. So it will be open all week with multiple attempts. My final exam review is a quiz. It's in like a quiz format, and that is so that you can go in and practice to see your knowledge before you actually take the final exam. Again, this is not your final exam. It is just questions to prepare you and get you ready for the final. So you have multiple attempts to do those, and do not feel like you have to take your final exam review until you get 100. It will be graded through Canvas, but I will not allow it to affect your final grade. Okay, again, let me say it again. So it will be a graded quiz, but this grade will not affect your final grade. Okay, so I don't want you to stress out if the first time you take it and you don't do very well and you're worried that it's going to kill your grade. It's not, I promise, because it will not affect your final average. Okay, so you will have that 2 things to do this week, and then next week make sure that you jump on Canvas Thursday morning, next Thursday, because I will tell you when your exam will open. I will tell you when it will close. And I will make sure that you get it done during that time. Also, this is a great upcoming week. Week 11 is great if you are missing any assignments. If there's anything that you missed, let me know. I'll be happy to reopen that in Canvas, or you can email me, or if I've graded something and you emailed it to me or sent it to me in Canvas and I mistakenly graded it in the grade book, let me know. Definitely before we do our final exams. So that will be what is happening this week. I was just thinking to myself. Yeah, but I am so proud of each and every one of you. You've done great work this semester. I'm so proud of all of y'all. I hope that you will join me again in the fall. I'm excited that there is hopefully we'll be able to be in the greenhouse on campus and do some things seated. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So be looking forward to having some of you again in the fall. If you have any questions about fall registration or what classes I offer in the fall, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to chat with you. But again, I'm so proud of you for making it to week 11, and you have 2 more weeks to go. You can do it. Bye!